when like thinking about who's the VA really need for the task, I congratulate Eddie. Yoo-hoo! Congratulations to your first client. Yes, it's you. You're your first client. So, yeah, so,
Hi there, my name is Edge, ang aspiring VA na my first ever client interview, and welcome back to my world. For today's video ay i-share ko sa inyong aking journey sa first ever client interview ko, and if you want to know more, please do stick around. Kung bago kayo sa aking channel, please consider clicking the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification down below for more updates. Tara! 2 weeks after ng aming graduation ay nagkaroon na kami ng client matching. So, minamanage siya ng aming placement team and 4 kaming na shortlist. And guess what? Kung sinong naunang na-interview, it was me. So, grabe yung pressure na naramdaman ko that time because this is my first ever client interview. So, sa bungad na bloopers, feeling ko it affects my performance, like the interview questions and me answering it. Pero I still continued kasi approachable naman yung client. So, I think may 3 to 5 questions lang ang tinanong niya sa akin kasi may 3 pa siyang i-interviewin sunod sa akin. So, yun, I think nasagot ko naman lahat ng mga katanungan niya and all of that. So, paano ba ang naging interview? Medyo mabilis lang kasi 3 to 5 questions lang. At kabadong-kabado pa si Akla nun. And since 4 kaming i-interview niya, we only have like 15 minutes each para makompleto niya yung interview process. By the way, share ko lang sa inyo na meron akong nakasabayan na sa interview, one of my batches, and mind you, ang galing-galing niya sa training, and it's so pressuring and ang taas ng expectations talaga. Although iniisip ko na wala na, talo na, may nanalo na ang nasa utak ko noon, pero it didn't hinder me to still ask questions and answer her questions. By the way, I was able to ask her like what are the challenges that you experience on your daily task or daily job. So tapos nakuha ko naman yung pain points niya, and then I provided some information or suggestions that I could help her ease the burden. Smooth, diba? So, yun. Guess what, guys? Drum roll. I got the job! Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. If you notice the video, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na ako yung pinili ni client. So, I'm so shocked, thankful, grateful. Imagine, guys, it's my first ever client interview and I got the job. From aspiring VA to official virtual assistant. So what's gonna happen next? Of course, aaralin ko yung mga tools and processes ng aking client. By the way, ang client ko is real estate lawyer. So, attorney siya, so kind of pressure ang nararamdaman ko for now. Pero since approachable naman siya, so I think magkakaroon kami ng connections. And then, of course, magiging best friend ko pa din si Google and ChatGPT. So I know, guys, transitioning from corporate world to virtual assistants field is quite tough. Like, I agree now na hindi yung virtual assistant is not for everybody kasi nga kung mahina yung loob mo, mag-quit ka talaga. So, I will share in the next coming videos kung ano yung mga struggles ko, naranasan ko while applying. Wala akong iko-quote. I will not sugarcoat it. I will provide you all the true experiences in the next coming vlogs. For the meantime, magsha-shoutout muna ako sa aking mga new subscribers and mga commenters. So, thank you. So guys, ang mga natutunan ko sa aking experience na to ay tatlo. Una, you have to make sure na alam mo yung right pronunciation ng pangalan ng kliyente mo bago mo siya sabihin or banggitin. Pangalawa, preparation is key. Ready ako, so I prepared talaga like interview, questions and answers, and then portfolio in update ko and everything. And then number 3, you have to do your research. Kailangan mong alamin kung ano yung mga pain points ng client mo. You have to visit, since placement, si placement naman ay magbibigay ng mga information na pwedeng makatulong para maintindihan mo anong hinahanap ng client or ano si client, what's her tone of voice. So yun. And of course, ask relevant questions. So to make your client feel na interested ka sa kanya, working with her. Yep. Thank you guys for watching this video and all my vlogs as well. If you find this helpful, please consider clicking the like and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below to get updates. And I hope to see you on the next.